Google has been at the fore of a technological revolution as AI has advanced at an unparalleled rate in recent years. With the launch of their brand new AI system, PALM-2, Google is once again creating a storm in the tech sector. There are countless possible uses for this cutting-edge technology, which is poised to fundamentally alter how we interact with machines and gadgets. So here's examining PALM-2's purpose, operation, and implications for the development of AI. Since its inception, Google I/O has served as the company's main developer conference, covering a wide range of subjects. But in 2023, things are different since AI is in charge of almost all aspects of the competition. One of the biggest LLMs ever created by Google was PALM's initial version, which was trained on 540 billion parameters. Google, however, developed PALM-2 in 2023, which is significantly smaller than its predecessors, but is also faster and more effective than you think. PALM-2 serves as the foundation for many Google products currently being developed, such as Google Generative AI Search, Duet AI in Google Docs and Gmail, Google Bard, and others. So what is Google PALM-2? Well, at its 2023 Google Annual Developer Conference, Google unveiled PALM, or the Pathway Language Model, which is a new large language model, or shortly called LLM. And PALM, which debuted in April 2022, is in its second edition, which is PALM-2. Over 25 Google features and products are expected to be powered by PALM-2, including Google Assistant, Google Translate, Google Photos, and Google Search. These updates are quite beneficial, and Google has already given consideration to creating a light version for mobile. The four models of PALM-2 are Gecko, Otter, Bison, and Unicorn, with Gecko being the smallest and Unicorn being the largest. Gecko is so small and light that even when entirely offline, it can function on cell phones. The processing speed of a flagship phone is 20 tokens per second, or roughly 16 words per second. Imagine the types of AI-powered on-device apps that you could use on your smartphone without a working internet connection or powerful hardware. That's amazing, isn't it? PALM-2 is multilingual and has been taught riddles, poems, and idioms in more than 100 different languages. It can also pass expert-level advanced language competency tests. PALM-2 is better than earlier models in handling logic, common sense reasoning, and mathematics. It was trained using a large dataset made up of scientific articles and online pages with mathematical expressions. An extremely important coding improvement is present in PALM-2. This significant upgrade offers thorough instruction in more than 20 programming languages, including both popular and niche ones. A potentially important improvement for programmers seeking improved expertise and comprehension, Google emphasizes that its new LLM can even include multilingual documentation on its code generation process. In terms of logic and common sense in mathematics, PALM-2 outperforms earlier models. According to Google, the model was trained on vast quantities of math and science documents, including academic journals and mathematical formulas. PALM-2 will enhance Bard's functionality by adding third-party extensions, support for additional programming languages, integration with other Google products, and other intriguing features. So now let's look in detail at how PALM-2 will revolutionize Bard AI with its features. MedPALM-2. MedPALM-2 is a specific LLM model for medicine that emphasizes medical knowledge. Massive medical texts such as journals, textbooks, clinical notes, and patient data are available to this version. Google claims that with an accuracy level of 85%, MedPALM-2 can answer questions from medical exams at the expert level of a doctor. Currently, Google is allowing a select set of Google Cloud customers to test and provide input on MedPALM-2 before it is made public. SecPALM-2. SecPALM-2 is a separate program from MedPALM-2 that is devoted to security applications. This AI tool's purpose is to find security threats. SecPALM has the ability to examine and explain the behavior of potentially harmful scripts and identify those that pose a hazard to individuals and organizations. It was trained using a variety of openly accessible security datasets, including phishing emails, vulnerability reports, exploit code, and malware samples. With this, it can comprehend and produce text and code relevant to security in a variety of languages and formats. Multiple programming languages are supported. This is one of the most interesting improvements PALM-2 brings to Bard AI. Well, it supports for more than 20 programming languages, including Python, JavaScript, Fortran, C++, Verilog, and Prolog. As a result, the AI chatbot can now write, debug, and alter code in a variety of programming languages. Coding and debugging specific AI model Cody is another feature of PALM-2. Code completion and generation services are only a few of the tasks that Cody will perform for PALM-2. Multilingual capabilities. Bard AI's multilingual capabilities will be enhanced by PALM-2, which is being trained with a variety of text from over 100 different languages. As a result, Bard AI will be able to comprehend various languages from around the world, including those that are underrepresented on the internet, and produce text in those languages. Better logic and reasoning. Computing mathematical questions and queries can be difficult because large language models place a strong emphasis on language. To overcome this difficulty, they must make use of third-party plugins. The PALM-2 paradigm, however, will be more compatible with logical, mathematical thinking and reasoning. Numerous publications in math and science, including mathematical expressions, were used by Google to create the model. As a result, PALM-2 will be able to reason through puzzles and provide the relevant diagram illustrations, in addition to solving mathematical problems with ease. Third-party extension support. By integrating Google with third-party businesses like Adobe, Spotify, and Uber Eats, PALM-2 will introduce third-party extensions to Bard. Bard, for instance, has access to Adobe's Firefly image creation tool because of the Adobe integration. Your ability to export photographs into Adobe Express will be aided by this. Additionally, Bard can be linked to other services offered by Google, such as Search and Maps, to deliver immersive views of routes, including landmarks. Google Maps will make use of the AI enhancement. Workspace. With PALM-2, the business also intends to update Bard in a significant area known as the Workspace AI Collaborator. The company's whole product line, including Cloud, Colab, Meet, Docs, Maps, and Sheets, will include PALM-2. Google promises changes for data exporting, making the process even more easy. With Bard, you may create codes and export them to Replit or Google Colab. Looking into these features, what do you think? Is PALM-2 a step forward from GPT-4? It does appear that PALM-2 can compete with GPT-4 though, given everything that Google is promising and the aggressive approach it has chosen to take to spread it. Google claims that PALM-2's reasoning abilities are on par with GPT-4. PALM-2 and GPT-4 each receive a score of 90.2 on the Wino Grand test. In the ARC-C test, GPT-4 earns a slightly higher score of 96.3, whereas PALM-2 receives a 95.1. But again, PALM-2 performs better than GPT-4 on a few other reasoning tests, such as DROP, Strategy QA, CSQA, and a few more. Google hopes to bridge the AI gap between itself and rivals like Microsoft, which has been aggressively integrating AI language tools into its Office software package. With PALM-2, Google hopes to do just that. Will Google's PALM-2 beat out ChatGPT as the new go-to AI? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.